In a move that's catching global attention, the U.S. government has announced it's ending 22 federal contracts related to mRNA vaccine development, and the World Health Organization isn't staying quiet about it. WHO officials are calling this decision a significant blow to future pandemic preparedness, as mRNA technology has proven to be one of the fastest and most adaptable platforms in fighting emerging viruses. The move comes under the Trump administration, with Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. now leading sweeping reforms in how America approaches vaccines, food, and medicine. But is this a necessary shift in direction, or a risky retreat from one of science's most powerful tools? Dr. Joachim Hambach, a senior WHO immunization official, said the end of U.S. investment in mRNA vaccine platforms raises serious concerns for global health. In his words, mRNA technology is very important and has served us extremely well for COVID. He also pointed out that its rapid adaptability makes it a critical tool for future outbreaks, especially those we can't yet predict. With flu vaccines already in development using the same platform, this isn't just about COVID anymore. It's about what comes next. And the fear is that winding down these efforts could set global preparedness back years, especially if the rest of the world doesn't step up. Unlike traditional vaccines, which introduce a weakened or inactive form of a virus into the body, mRNA vaccines work by sending genetic instructions into human cells. These instructions teach cells to create a harmless piece of a virus, like the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2, which then triggers an immune response. It's fast, efficient, and has shown high success in emergencies. The real strength of this approach lies in how quickly new mRNA vaccines can be designed and scaled. That speed is what made the global COVID-19 vaccine rollout possible in record time. So walking away from that infrastructure now could mean being unprepared for the next viral threat. According to the Department of Health and Human Services, this decision is part of a broader plan to reshape America's biomedical research priorities. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., a longtime critic of certain vaccine policies, is now overseeing a major transition in how vaccines and other public health tools are developed and evaluated. While supporters argue it's time for a more cautious and transparent approach, public health experts worry that canceling proven and flexible platforms like mRNA could leave the U.S. and its global partners more vulnerable in future crises. The balance between innovation, safety, and preparedness is now front and center in this unfolding debate. So what happens next? For now, mRNA vaccine development continues internationally, with other nations and private companies investing in its future. But the loss of U.S. government support, historically a leader in medical innovation, is significant. Experts believe this could slow progress and collaboration across borders, right when the world needs it most. Whether or not this decision is reversed or revised in the future, one thing is clear. The global health community sees mRNA as more than a COVID-era fix. It's a next-gen tool that could define how humanity responds to the pandemics of tomorrow, if it's allowed to evolve.